Hello friends. Now let us see a demo program 5.13. On the points so far I have explained on the output formation of a floating point value. Now you see the program n is equal to 1.3456 I have given. So here first I am printing the number without giving any width or precision, then the number is printed as it is. Thereafter 10.4, 10.4 means 10 spaces are to be allocated and precision 4 digits, that means 3, 4, 5, 6 are printed with the right justification, and left side blank spaces are left, and next minus 10.4. What do you mean? 10 spaces are to be allocated for the number, and after decimal point 4 digits are to be printed. Those are 3, 4, 5, 6, and the number should be printed with a left justification. On the right hand side the spaces are to be left. Okay. Next 12.3. Here 12 spaces are to be allocated. The number is printed with 3 digits after the decimal point, and here the point to be remember is the 4th digit is 6. That's why instead of printing 0.345, 346 is printed. Next the same thing, minus 12.3, instead of right justification, left justification, the number is printed. Next 14.2, 14 spaces are to be allocated. The number is printed with the right justification. With after decimal point only 2 digits are printed, and third digit, as the third digit is 5, instead of 3, 4, 3, 5 is printed. Okay. Next minus 14.2, instead of right justification, left, the number is printed with the left justification. Thereafter 15.1, 15 spaces are to be allocated. The number is printed with the right justification, and after decimal point only 1 digit is printed. How much is that? 3, not 4, because after 3 what is there? 4. That's why it is ignored, and 3 is printed as 12.3 with the right justification. Minus 15.1, 12.3 is printed with the left justification. And thereafter 15.0, actually 15.0 means what you are expecting. After decimal point nothing is expected, so 15 spaces are to be allocated, and after decimal point no digit is required. That's why decimal point is also not required, and 12 is the whole number value. Actually after 12 what is the number? Starting number 3. So there is no question of rounding off. But 5 or more, 12 becomes 13. So 15 spaces are allocated and 12 is printed with the right justification. Thereafter 0, 15, actually here also right justification only. 12 is printed on the right hand side, and remaining 13 spaces are filled with zeros, leading zeros. So all these points, whatever so far I explained, I have shown in this program, and while writing program you make all possible experiments with this, and once for all you perform this program and master the concept.